Kill cockroaches instantly with just cloves of garlic, and watch cockroaches disappear overnight. Cockroaches crawling out of bed to snack at midnight will be terrified by a familiar spice from your kitchen. With just a handful of garlic, you can easily wipe out a whole nest of cockroaches in your house. Perhaps everyone has experienced the horror of being thirsty, turning on the light in the middle of the night, and suddenly seeing cockroaches running past. How creepy. Worse still, they leave disgusting traces of gnawed food. Cockroaches eat and vomit, crawling everywhere, contaminating food and carrying dozens of dangerous bacteria. They truly are the #1 enemy in the family. But surprisingly, you don't need toxic insecticides or annoying sticky traps. Right in your kitchen, garlic is enough to become a natural magic weapon against cockroaches. This spice is extremely effective in dealing with them. Today, I'll show you how to use a handful of garlic to easily kill cockroaches and say goodbye to those annoying insects in your house. First, prepare a handful of fresh, juicy garlic. Then place the garlic cloves on a clean cutting board. You can slice them thinly with a knife or crush them with the back of a knife. Don't skip this step. Slicing helps release more of the spicy garlic juice through the cut surface, while crushing breaks the cell structure, allowing more allicin and other volatile substances to be released. Next, chop finely. During this process, you'll smell a strong, pungent aroma. That's the sign the garlic is starting to work its insect-repelling magic. The more carefully the garlic is prepared, the more effective it will be at repelling cockroaches. Put all the chopped garlic in a clean bowl, then squeeze some dishwashing liquid over the top of the garlic. The surfactant ingredients in the dishwashing liquid will destroy the protective oil layer on the cockroach's body, causing them to dehydrate and die quickly, while also paralyzing them. When both ingredients are ready, add enough hot water to the bowl and stir well. The hot water helps the active ingredients in the garlic release more fully and allows the detergent to mix completely. Together, they form a powerful natural insect killer. After stirring well, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it soak for about 20 minutes. During this time, the pungent garlic substances continue to infuse into the water, combining with the dishwashing liquid for maximum strength. After soaking, your mixture is ready to use. If you have a small spray bottle, strain the solution and pour it in for easy, precise spraying. The water pipes under the sink and the area around drains are always damp and full of leftover food. Perfect hiding spots for cockroaches. After spraying thoroughly, the solution will penetrate deep into gaps and cracks. When cockroaches crawl over it, the garlic and detergent will destroy their protective layer, causing them to lose mobility and die. The kitchen counter is another hotspot where cockroaches search for food. Grease, soup splashes, and crumbs become a feast for them. When spraying, don't just target the surface. Focus on cracks where the counter meets the wall, edges of tables, and hidden corners of cabinets. When cockroaches run through the sprayed areas, the protective layer of fat on their bodies is destroyed. They quickly lose water and die under the continuous effect of the garlic solution, cutting off their food supply and survival. Don't forget the trash can. The inside and outside often have leftover food and moisture, attracting cockroaches and small flies. Pay special attention to the crevice between the bottom and the sides. That's a favorite gathering spot. Even the bottom shouldn't be overlooked. Spray several times to cover all hiding places. The strong smell of garlic will overwhelm their senses, while the detergent acts as a toxin, killing them fast. Together, garlic and dishwashing liquid form a double barrier that leaves cockroaches nowhere to hide. If you're worried about the spray making surfaces greasy, there's another gentle but effective way. Prepare a clean bowl and add a little baking soda. Baking soda kills cockroaches because their digestive system can't break it down. When eaten, it reacts with stomach acid, producing gas that causes their intestines to swell and burst. This method is safe, effective, and completely pet-friendly. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of white sugar. The sugar acts as bait. Then add half a teaspoon of detergent powder and mix everything well. Cockroaches are highly sensitive to sweetness. The sugar's smell will lure them to eat, lowering their guard. The detergent enhances the killing power and destroys their outer oil layer, causing dehydration. The powder form also helps the mixture stick to their bodies. Cockroaches carry it back to the nest, where others get infected through contact or grooming. Mix baking soda, sugar, and detergent into a fine white powder. Place small dishes of it where cockroaches usually appear, in cupboard corners, under the stove, beside the trash can, or beneath the sink. Drawn by the sweet scent, they'll eat it or carry it back to their nest. Once ingested, the chemical reaction happens quickly, killing them in a short time. The shared powder spreads throughout the nest, wiping out even more of them. Leave it for a few days and you'll notice the number of cockroaches drop dramatically. A simple, safe, and powerful solution for your home. Subscribe if you want more pest control information, and you will want to learn more from our next video on baking soda, the ultimate pest control substance.